Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. Today I want to show you the best way to ignite denim char cloth. Now I think that you can ignite t-shirt and other thin char cloths any old way, but when it comes to the thicker ones, you'll need to take and tear it in half to expose the threads, line both halves up on top of each other, and put that edge just behind the sharp edge of your chert. And that's what I have here, just a little flake of chert. And of course, as you've seen 100 times on this channel, my steel is made from a Nicholson file. So we're in the garage so that you could really see them sparks fly. Let's do a comparison. Let's go ahead and get my denim char cloth and just fold it over. And just lay that folded over edge on there and see how long it takes to ignite it. And it ignited, but it ignited over here on the threads, like what I'm talking about. It's really hard to ignite a thicker char cloth when you just fold it over like that. What are we up to, about 14 strikes? Finally got the edge to ignite. I mean the broad side to ignite. Let's tear it in half. So let's go outside. Let's do 3 leaves tinder bundles, tearing the char cloth in half and igniting it like this. All right. I still take thin char cloth, t-shirt material. I still take it, tear it apart, even though that appears to ignite well when it's just balled up and laid on the shirt. And I think this is another technique that I learned from Dave Canterbury. I think he's the first one that clued me into that. Neighbor across the street's using a pressure washer. I think they're getting their house ready for paint. And there's lots of moisture in these leaves, just gonna have to be patient with me. I might speed this part up. A lot of moisture in these leaves. And one more. Notice how I like to do things in threes. Now you can tell which way the bias is running. On this one, it's running kind of diagonally from this corner to that corner. If you tear it across the bias, that's where you'll get the most threads hanging out. Please let me remind you to subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell, and in the drop-down list you'll be able to select all. And do give this video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one wheel. Catch you on the next one.